Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, southwestern Davis County in northern Utah, western Utah County in northern Utah, southeastern Tualatin County in northern Utah until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Stansbury Park, or 13 miles north of Grantsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Murray, Tooele, Grantsville, Douglas English Village, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Draper, Riverton, Midvale, Harriman, Stansbury Park, Bluffdale, Ophir, Camp Williams, Kearns, and Trella Army Depot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis, Salt Lake, Tualatin, Utah. Severe thunderstorm warning.